how to turn on or turn off in-app ratings and reviews on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down and tap on App Store. Next, we swipe up to go down. In here, tap on in-app ratings and reviews. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now, I said help developers and other users know what you think by letting apps ask for product feedback. If you don't like Tao's annoying message keep asking you to provide feedback, you can switch it off. And finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.